Hey guys, this is our coffee design video in the ECH1 A12. First, we will explain the flow diagram now.
So we started with El Salvador green beans. We weighed 120 grams of it. We put those green beans into the fresh roast to roast. We had a fan setting of 9, a power setting of 7, and a time setting of 8. And it used 0.22 kilowatts an hour. And then we got chaff, and we got 106.4 grams of roasted beans. And we put 86.4 grams to storage, and we used 20 grams, and we put that into the coffee grinder with a grind size of 20, and then those 20 grams went into the clever dripper, and then on the other side we used 360 grams of water. We put that into the kettle, which used 0.03 kilowatts an hour, and we set the temperature at 94 degrees Celsius, and those 360 grams of hot water went to the clever dripper with a 5 minutes extraction time. And then we got 300.4 grams of the brew. We put that into the empty glass cup, which weighed 473.8 grams. And the total weight of the glass cup with the coffee is 774.2 grams.
Start making coffee. We weighed 120 grams of UCDAVIS coffee beans to use as green beans. These beans were placed into the coffee bean dryer. We used an electricity meter to record the kilowatt-hour usage. Then we set the dryer to fan 9 and power 7 and time 8. And we got 0.22 kilowatts per hour. This is what we expected. And the roasted coffee beans weighed 106.4 grams. We took 20 grams of the roasted beans for the first brewing. Using a coffee grater, we ground 20 grams of coffee beans into powder. The grater is very energy efficient. During the competition, we used the grater 3 times and with a total energy consumption of less than 0.01 kilowatt per hour. With 360 grams of tap water heated to 94 degrees using electronic kettle, and it consumes 0.03 kilowatt per hour. We placed the ground coffee into a clever draper, which is very convenient. For each brewing, we set a countdown timer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we placed the draper on a glass cup and to filter out the finished coffee. From this process, we output 300.4 grams of coffee. Then we measured our coffee of DDS. It's 1.06. During the competition, we do the same for 3 times, and the second and third brewing follows the same steps at first.
Our coffee smells like hot chocolate, and it also smells sweet, kind of like honey.
During the competition, we scored 18.5 in the blend taste test. Well, this score was not extremely high, but it's not too low, so it's not bad. However, due to our minimal energy usage, our energy efficiency ratio was very high, so we got third prize in the class rankings. This also means we win the bonus points. Our coffee is a little bit sour and not too bitter. It doesn't quite suit to the taste of many people, so to improve it, next time we might use a little less water and try dark roasted coffee beans to make our filter more like classic. Thank you for your watching.